Hello everyone! In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a double zipper coin pouch. This small fabric pouch is perfect for holding coins, keys, or other small items. If you're looking for an easy DIY sewing idea that's fun, useful, and budget-friendly, this project is perfect for you. So prepare your fabric scraps. And it's a great beginner-friendly sewing project. Turn on your sewing machine, and let's start sewing together. Cut 2 pieces of outer fabric with interfacing. Cut 1 piece of lining fabric with interfacing, 3 pieces of lining fabric. Each piece measures 10 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Cut 1 piece of outer fabric and 1 piece of lining fabric. The size is 7.7 inches by 2 inches. 1 piece of outer fabric and 1 piece of lining fabric 6.5 inches by 1.4 inches. 1 piece of outer fabric and 1 piece of lining fabric 5.7 inches by 1 inch. 2 zipper and bias. Make a small curve on both sides. The outer fabric and the lining will be made using the same pattern. Attach and sew both zippers and the gusset together. Sew a top stitch around the edges. Always mark the center point before sewing. Sew around the edges. Attach and sew the lining. Leave the bottom part unsewn. Then close that opening with a hand stitch. Join the 2 lining pieces and sew them together. This is the center part of the pouch. Sew all around the edges. Next, follow the same steps as before. Leave the bottom part unsewn. Place them together, then sew. Stitch all around, then cover the edges with bias tape. And finally, our mini project is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. Always stay tuned to my channel because I will be sharing more interesting tutorials.